My name is Kristen Arniotis. I live in Philadelphia, PA, and I have 4 children. Billy is 6 and Nikki's 3, and I have twin boys, Jake and Anthony. They are 9 months, and all were a result of coming to RMA of Philadelphia. My mother treated with Dr. Freedman many years ago for when she was trying to get pregnant with my sister, so she recommended him to me. I was scared to death. I'm sure most women are who are going through this. I thought that I could never get pregnant. I had been trying for a long time on my own, and I just had no idea what to expect. Dr. Freedman was always very calming. It was always very nice to deal with him. He explained everything that he did, all of the possibilities that there were for me as far as treatment was concerned. And the nurses were always wonderful also. They just always, knew exactly what they were talking about, knew how to make you feel, welcome and calm in the office. Just always felt like sort of a family. I was always able to call the nurses. All of the nurses were wonderful. I remember all of them by name if you're interested. Robin or Lynn, Denise, they were all wonderful. I could call them anytime and ask them questions. My first child was July 18th of 2006, and of course that was the happiest day of my life. I don't even know how to describe that day, but obviously I was just very grateful to RMA and Dr. Freedman for allowing me to have that moment. It was a beautiful moment, a beautiful day. And my second child, Nicholas, was born June 22nd, 2009, and another amazing day in my life. Actually, with him, I knew it was a boy, so it wasn't quite as much of a surprise as the first. And when I found out I was having twins with my third pregnancy, I was really shocked because I was just surprised that I was able to get pregnant at all the third time. I was older and I did have, a lot of issues getting pregnant. So just the fact that I got pregnant and then I got pregnant with twins, so it was incredible. It was incredible. Every experience that I've had here and having my children was amazing, wonderful experiences. You always will see a doctor at RMA, which is, I think, amazing, instead of just coming in and seeing a nurse. This whole process is so stressful for women, I'm sure for their husbands as well, and I think you really need to find a place that will make you feel comfortable and calm. I know for myself, I had a lot of anxiety starting the process, and it was just very calming to come to this particular place, this family atmosphere. It just makes you feel so much better about the whole process, and it makes it easier because if you're stressed out, it's that much harder to conceive. So when you're calm and you know that you have a team working with you and helping you achieve this and keeping you calm and following through with you and caring about each couple, I think that's very important through this process.